Hello and good morning, everybody. Not good morning, hello and good afternoon, everybody, in my today's live session. I would like to welcome everyone who has joined this session. I really appreciate, guys, that you have joined this session, and this session is going to be very, very informative as I'm going to discuss our new upcoming token, which is MEOW. Okay, so this session is going to be very, very beneficial, guys. Okay, so it's my humble request with you to please join this live session, guys, as soon as possible so that I'll proceed further. Okay, so this token has been introduced and it is going to come and in the crypto world. So basically, what is this MEOW coin? Okay, so it is a ultimate meme coin. Okay, guys, it is a ultimate meme coin, and this coin is drawing the attention in the crypto world. Okay, guys, so this coin is really, really very beneficial for you, as till date this coin is drawing the attention of the whole world, and I will discuss with you how you will get this token on the Get.io after logging in the Get.io. Before proceeding to my topic of this Meerkat, okay, so I would like to make you see some other information, guys. Okay, so this MEO cat token is going to be very, very important for you, so one must plan its investment with this mem coin, so Meerkat coin. Okay, guys, so before proceeding this to my topic, I would like to share some important news with you. Okay, so Get.io milestones propel Get token to new ATH all time high in December. Okay, guys, all right, so ये जो milestones है Get.io का milestone, it is going to propel Get token to new ATH in December. So Get.io is going to be all time high. Okay, it is about to reach its milestone, and the performance itself is enhancing. Okay, so I'm going to tell what the important points are written over here, which I have to tell you. Okay, so Get.io milestones propel Get token to new all-time high in December. So this December, which is about to end, is going to be very, very beneficial for you, and I must say, as per the investment purpose, okay, and for the profit purpose as well. So surging user numbers, sports sponsorships, and the platform's December reserve report have underpinned gains for its native token. Okay, so underpinned gains है for its native token native tokens. Okay, and I will discuss later on what are all the upcoming tokens is Get.io is going to give you, and one of them is MEOW, which is Meerkat token and memcoin, and I am going to discuss about this. Okay, so you need to listen this guys, because यहाँ पे बहुत informative है. So crypto exchange Get.io native token Get token GT hit an all-time high of $14.01 in December per data from CoinGecko amid surging user numbers for the platform and the release of its December reserve report. So I have already made an live stream on the topic of GT is going to be all time high. Okay, you can go into my profile and you can see my particular video I have made on this GT tokens. And you see here I had already told you that GT is going to be high in my previous class, and here is the data of that. It has hit an all-time high of $14.01 in December. Okay, so and the surging amid surging users number for the platform get हिट होने से क्या हो रहा है, यहाँ पे यूजर्स नंबर्स यहाँ पे इंक्रीज कर रहा है एंड द रिलीज ऑफ इट्स डिसम्बर रिजर्व रिपोर्ट. ओके, सो amid a wider slump in the crypto market, Get token has retreated from its all-time high to a current value of $13.07 according to CoinGecko data. Alright guys, so all time high to a current value of how much? अभी कितना? 13.07. Alright, so according to GetGecko data, the native token of Gate chain, okay, GT is used to pay transaction fees as well as offering benefits including VIP tier escalations and trading fee debit. Alright guys, so GT is giving you an additional benefit when you buy its holding. And what are all additional benefits you are getting here is GT is used to pay transaction fee as well as offering benefits including VIP tier escalations and trading fee debit. Okay, the token's rise over the past month comes amid surging user numbers on Get.io alongside high-profile sports sponsorship deals and a December reserve report that saw the platform set industry benchmark. Okay guys, so at the start of the month, the platform released its December reserve report, alright, revealing that its reserves had hit a record high of $9.566 billion. So this is one of the huge figure which is prevailing on the screen guys, and a reserve ratio of 123.91%. Okay, so this is the reserve figure and 123.91%, exceeding the 120% average level of leading industries. Alright, Get.io's excess reserves also topped Get.io excess reserves also topped $1.846 billion according to report, increasing by 68.89% to set a record high for the platform with an excess reserve ratio of 23.91%. So this is the figure. This is the figure of Get.io's achievement. Okay, reserves and ATH reserves. Okay, so you see ki how much reserves Get.io has increased, and it has topped $1.846 billion according to the report, increased by 68.89% guys. So this figure can be considered as one of the important achievement of the Get.io platform. Okay, that's why Get.io provides you very important tokens which is going to be give you benefits. Okay, so we'll proceed further to our topic. In an official AMA on December 13, Get.io Chief Business Officer Kevin Lee revealed that the platform's reserve fund has exceeded $10 billion, the fourth largest globally in the sector. So Lee added that. ओके यहाँ पे देखो आप एक्सीड कर कर कितना इनका मार्केट हो गया है, $10 billion रिजर्व फंड हैज एक्सीडेड टू. सो दिस फिगर इज वन ऑफ द great figure I must considered globally, because fourth largest globally. So this is one of the significance, sorry, not the significance, achievement I must say, the fourth largest globally in the sector. All right, Lee added that the exchange is continuously enhancing its security protocols to provide a more transparent and reliable trading environment for its users. All right, continuously enhancing its security. So you see what Get.io is giving you, it always enhances its security protocols or its rules to provide a more transparent and reliable trading environment for its users. So what one can expect other than a security and a reliable trading environment? Okay, everyone wanted to have a faith and wanted a security, proper strong protocol, and Get.io is giving you all those. So we can consider Get.io platform is one of the package in itself. Okay, so days later, Get.io surpassed 20 million. Can you imagine, guys, this figure, 20 million registered users, with a spokesperson for the platform commenting that the milestone marked its outstanding competitiveness in the global market. Okay, so Get Tokens December gains have built on the platform's success in the recent months. In August, Get.io became the official sleeve sponsor, okay, of Soccer Club International Internazionale Milano, with its logo gracing the playing kits of the men's, women's, and under 20 teams. Okay, so this is the official Get.io. Inter hashtag Get.io is thrilled to announce our partnership as the official sleeve sponsor of FC International Milano. Let's redefine the fan experience with, so you will get to know more about this. You can follow Get.io Twitter handling as well, it is given here, and is Get.io Twitter handling @get_io. Okay, at the time, Get.io founder and CEO Dr. Lean Han said that the partnership aligns with our commitment to innovation and community engagement, adding that we are excited to bring new and exciting experiences to enter fans around the world. Okay, this collaboration will see the partners collaborate on exclusive content, joint marketing activations, co-branded merchandise, and opportunities for fans to connect both and on of the field. All right. So Get.io remains committed to ensuring the security of user funds and strengthening its brand influence. So one of the important line which is written over here about the Get.io. So what it does, it remains committed, okay, it remains committed to ensuring the security of user funds. So guys, what anybody want, they want, especially they want a proper security, and Get.io is remains committed to ensuring the security of user funds and strengthening its brand influence. A spokesperson for the platform told Decrypt. They added that its efforts would help solidify its position as a key industry player and further reinforce its leadership in the market. Okay, so this was about the Get.io's performance, and you need to you need to see this line, guys. They added its efforts would help solidify its position as a key industry player and further reinforce its leadership in the market. All right, so this was important to know about what is this Get.io is working, and really it is a very good platform which always enhances its securities protocols and secure their follower their whatever the viewers funds. Okay, so this was about the Get.io platform, and now I'll proceed to our topic, which is MEOW cat. Okay, so we are going to discuss about what is this meme coin and why it is gathering an attention throughout the world. Total MEW. So here is the figure of that, how much it is circulating in the market. This is the figure. Alright, guys. Now, pause up for the ultimate meme coin. Okay, pause up for the ultimate meme coin. Which is ultimate meme coin? This is MEOW. So get ready to pounce on the hottest meme coin in the crypto world, and this wallpaper itself is defining the hotness of this coin. All right. So get ready to pounce on the hottest meme coin in the crypto world. So dollar MEO, MEOW combines fun with potential, making it the perfect perfect addition to your portfolio. All right. Launching the Telegram games Cat and the Fish. Dive into an underwater adventure with your cat. Your mission is simple: catch as many fish as possible to collect points. So, gameplay. This also provides a gameplay for you. You can join as well. So, now about, here is the about of dollar MEO. You need to know more about this. What this MEO, this is a meme coin. Okay, so what is this about? तो यहाँ पे एक आता है कि वेलकम टू $MEOW. Okay, so the meme coin that's taking the crypto world by storm. All right, so as I have already told you guys that it is gathering a attention throughout the world, and this line defines the popularity of this meme. Okay, so our charming cat isn't just here for fun. Oh wow. So what a inspiring line is written here. So our charming cat isn't just for fun here. Here for fun, okay? So we got this line, and dollar MEOW is designed to bring joy, all right, and excitement to your crypto journey. So anybody wanted to add some excitement in your crypto journey? MEO coin is bringing that platform for you. Okay, it is bringing that platform for you. So it will add joy and excitement to your crypto company. All right. So whether you are a seasoned investor or a curious new buy, so wow, curious new buy, so both of them. So dollar now offers a playful yet serious approach to cryptocurrency. Join us as we blend humor with innovations and make investing in crypto as enjoyable as a catnap. Okay, governance of the MEO token. So phased committee based governance mode. So the governance of the MEO token is designed to evolve with the growth, and what anybody want, only the growth. Whenever you made an investment in any cryptos token, Okay, what anybody want, or always a growth and maturity of our community. Initially, committees will be formed with a focus on expediency and effectiveness, gradually transitioning to a more transparent and formal governance structure. So, this phased approach ensures both quick decision making and long term stability for our perfectly innovative project, and which is what this term refer for, perfectly innovative project, this Mayo project, and it is referring as this article, ये यहाँ पे रेफर हो रहा है this project as perfectly innovative project. So this it's gonna be bring fun, joy, excitement guys in your crypto journey. Okay, so all of them who are listening me, what I'm trying to make you understand is here is this mem coin is really bringing a storm in the crypto world, and it is going to add, it is going to make your crypto journey very exciting and very enjoyable. Okay, mechanism. So, in the initial phase, the governance committees will be composed of trusted and knowledgeable individuals from the Runsbridge Airdrop Guild and the Mio community. These committees will be formed opically to expedite critical early decisions and set up the fundamental governance. Alright. So, committee composition. What are the committee composition of this MEO project? Members from the Runsbridge Airdrop Guild, active members of the MEO community. Alright. So what is this, the purpose of this project? So purpose is defining here. Establish fundamental governance structure. Alright, we got, and make swift decision to ensure community stability and the growth. Authority, committees will have broad authority to make necessary decisions during the initial phase. All right. So यहाँ पे है आपका mechanism. As the community grows, we will introduce transparency and formalization in the committee selection and decision making process. All right. So committee membership will be expanded to include broader community representations through a nomination and vetting process. All right. So we'll see what are the goals. Okay, increase community trust and involvement in governance, establish formal process and structures for long term stability. All right. Staking and reward system. Yeah, so what are the staking and reward system? This is one of the important point. What are the staking and reward system? How does it work? So mechanism of that is to incentivize participation and reward those who serve on the governance committees. We will implement a staking and reward system. So steps are mentioned below. Members who serve, all right, member who serve on committees will be required to stake a certain amount of dollar MEO tokens. Okay, in return for their service and commitment, these members will receive reward in the form of individual MEO tokens. Reward will be distributed based on the length of services and the contributions made on the governance process. All right. So white paper, let me open this white paper and white paper. Okay, so let me check. Important. So introduction is given here. Pause for the ultimate mem coin. So this coin is ultimate mem coin. Introduction is given here. So get ready to pounce on the hottest mem coin in the crypto world. MEO combines fun with potential, making it the perfect addition to your portfolio. It is designed to bring a sense of joy and excitement to the cryptocurrency journey, appealing to both seasoned investors and newcomers alike. All right. Governance, I have already discussed this with you. Committee composition. Members from the Runsbridge airdrop guide. Active members, ST. Authorities. Purpose is also I have discussed, and this authority. Committees will have broad authority to make necessary decisions during the initial phase, ensuring the smooth launch and early growth of the project. Okay. Transitions to transparency. Goals I have already discussed. Let me check out other important points for you so that I'll not miss out any important point. Okay, I just wanted to. So yeah, let's talk about tokenomics. Tokenomics is really very much important. That's why we are here. What for? To know what is this MEO token. Okay, so here come tokenomics. So total supply is clearly written here. Okay, total supply of this MEO is, the figure is given here. All right, the figure is given here. Now initial distribution, the circulating supply is totally given here. This is the circulating supply and initial distribution. Okay, initial distribution. So community and marketing 30%, ensuring strong promotion and community engagement. Development and partnership 10%, supporting technical development and strategic partnerships. Liquidity and exchanges 20%, providing liquidity to ensure smooth trading on decentralized exchanges, which is DEXs. Okay. Staking and rewards 15%, encouraging community participation and rewarding loyal holders. Okay. Teams and advisors 10%, ensuring long-term commitment from the team and advisors. Pre-sale 10%, available for early investors to support the project before its official launch, and it is also available. Okay, for the early investors it is available and they are supporting the project before its official launch, and when it will officially launch I will share with you all. Okay, I will definitely share with you all the time. So transactions fees, here arises a question ki is there any transactions fees will be charged from you guys? So the answer is no. Okay, MEO aims to keep transactions free of charge. Okay, free of charge, encouraging active use and trading within the community. Okay, so this is one of the important feature about this MEO token. All right, so now roadmap. So roadmap, I will discuss with you the roadmap, and this phase 1, launch and community building. All right, and you see कि यहाँ पर आपको important सा fees यहाँ पे मिलता हुआ दिख रहा है, this place. Okay, so one thing I would like to tell everybody, if anybody wanted to ask me any question, guys, please feel free to ask. All right, I'm here to explain every I'm here to give the answer of every question of yours. All right, so please guys, please, you can ask me any question. Okay, okay, so yeah, this roadmap phase, launch and community building, token launch on decentralized exchanges, which is DEXs, initiation of community building activities through social media platforms, Telegram, Discord, etc. Phase 2, partnerships and NFT integration. Okay, formation of key partnerships with other crypto projects and platforms. Integration of dollar MEO with NFTs, offering unique digital assets and collectible experiences. Okay, so now staking and decentralized governance. Introduction. So, staking and decentralized governance. So, introduction of staking platform allowing holders to earn rewards, okay, and transactions to a decentralized governance model, giving the community more control over decisions, okay. So expansion and new utilities, okay. So development of additional utilities for MEO within the broader DeFi, decentralized finance ecosystem. This DeFi is the decentralized finance ecosystem, continuous expansions of the community and strategic partnerships, okay. So conclusion, you need to listen this, guys. Conclusion, okay. So dollar MEO is more than just a meme coin. It's a community driven project that blends fun with innovations, offering both entertainment and tangible value. All right. So through its unique governance model, staking rewards, and well planned tokenomics, MEO is poised to become a key player in the evolving world of cryptocurrency, guys. So your investment, so claim तो आप ये free कर सकते हो, you can claim this freely, but your investment is going to give you more benefit, okay. This because MEO is poised to become a key player in the evolving world of cryptocurrency. So join us on this exciting journey and become part of the MEO community where fun meets finance and innovation knows no burns. So where fun meets finance, this MEO, when fun meets finance, and I love this line which is written about this MEO, and innovation knows no bonds. That's why it has written that it will add more fun, more joy to your crypto's journey. All right, so this was about the MEOs. What is this MEO? And so yeah, let me check frequently asked questions, okay. Frequently asked questions. So how can I buy MEO? That I will discuss with you. So you can claim MEO through the Get.io platform. And what is the purpose? Okay, what is the purpose? The purpose of MEO is to make cryptocurrency more fun and accessible by incorporating meme culture into the crypto space. It aims to build a strong community, rewards loyal holders, and lower the barriers to entry for new crypto users through entertainment and engaging content. What it is bringing internet entertainment with itself. If you're experiencing awkwardness discussing crypto with your loved ones, if discussing crypto with your loved ones feels awkward, start by explaining the fun side of dollar MEO. Okay, guys, if anybody feels shy, feel awkwardness to explain its crypto journey, you can explain the fun side of MEO. Focus on its community driven nature, the role of meme is making crypto enjoyable and how MEO is designed to be more approachable. So that is one of the important significance of this MEO, as it is designed to be more approachable. It is easy to be more approachable. It has designed in a way that everybody can get this very easily. Okay, and you can claim this with zero. Okay, that I will discuss later. And sharing its light-hearted aspects can ease conversations and spark curiosity without overwhelming them with technical details. Okay, how do I participate the Mayo community? That I will discuss. Yes, they have Twitter handling as well, they have Telegram, and I will share with you how you will join them. Okay, if anybody wanted to join them. Okay, so what is the roadmap for MEO? Okay, so you need to listen this roadmap. So what is the purpose of this road? The MEO roadmap includes several exciting phases. Okay, we will start with the tokens launch and community building efforts, followed by partnerships and NFT integrations. Okay, future plans also include staking, decentralized governance, and additional utility for MEO within the broader DeFi ecosystem. Keep an eye on our official announcements for more detailed updates. Okay, so yeah, this was about MEO's tokenomics, governance, staking, pre-sale, all sold, pre-sale, all sold. About, so I have discussed already. Home, yeah. So now come, we will discuss how we will get this token with the help of get.io. Get.io platform make easy for their user to claim such important tokens. Okay, so how you can get this token? You can definitely get this token on the get.io platform, and totally secure platform with strong protocols. So now what you have to do here is you have to go to the official website of get.io. Alright, so this is the official website of get.io. If anybody haven't logged in, you can log in the get.io official website with your, and you should done with your sorry, you have to done with your KYC, and if you are existing user, you just sign up. All right, so when you click on this, okay, you will get this term written over here: startup, token launch, and airdrop. All right, so when you click on this, you'll get this page open. Okay, you'll get this page open, and this page is for token launch and airdrops. Okay, token launch. So how you can log in the get.io? Just go to the official website, and there you can sign up. Or okay, sign up, and you can get rewards, different rewards. And what you have to do here is you have to, now after you logged in, you just go to this token launch and airdrop. So one important one important point I would like to share with you, or you have to at least $10 GT in your account. Okay, get.io account, GT account. Okay, you have minimum $10, okay, in your get.io account. Then you can claim this different tokens. So here are the different tokens. Okay, you see, airdrop GT holders exclusive, airdrop GT holders exclusive. Okay, so this is for GT holder exclusive, and how much you have in your GT account? At least $10. Okay, So this is the token of the MEO and supporters are 19,241 and आप देख सकते hold GT and claim free. So timeline is given here 1 day. Okay, timeline is given here for 1 day, 20 hours 35 minutes. So let me open this for you. So when you click on this claim option, this page will get open. You have to log in with your email ID or the password. Okay, so you see here is the यहाँ पे ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट का यहाँ पे एड्रेस दिया हुआ है, तो उसके बाद आपको क्लेम करना है. ऑलराइट, यू हैव टू क्लेम. So you see this token get opened and start subscription and you can hold GT and claim free. Hold GT, how much you have to hold GT? Just $10 and you can claim this project for free. Okay, the share that can be subscribed is calculated based on GT holdings with one share subscribed for every 10 GT. So one holder must have 10 GT on its GT account and the timeline is given here 1 day. You can start claiming, you can claim this now and you can start trading it with 1 day. ये so ये timeline दिया हुआ है, इस timeline के बाद you can start trading with MEO cat. Okay, you see this is the initial offering है ये इसका and initial offering है and यहाँ पे देख लेते हैं. ये तो है कि प्रोजेक्ट इंफॉर्मेशन है, project introduction, and the MEO cat project is led by Hyun Woo Min, an experienced professional in blockchain technology and gamification with a strong passion for combining entertaining gaming experiences with the transformative power of blockchain. Hyun Woo Min drives the vision and execution of $MEOCAT to deliver a platform that is both engaging and rewarding for its users. Okay, so you see this is the official website and he's the founder of this MEOCAT. What is his name? You see I have highlighted his name, Hyun Woo Min. Okay, so he is the founder of this MEOCAT. And MEOCAT is a Telegram based mini game built on a tap to earn model. Players can earn points through simple taps and exchange them for airdrops. So designed for accessibility and fun, $MEOCAT appeals to casual gamers and blockchain enthusiasts alike, offering an engaging and rewarding experience in a light and playful environment. So information for startup price and startup supply. So 1,50,000 startup supply and 100% unlock rule. So visions, what is the vision of this क्या बोला जाता है token. Okay, so MEOCAT combines the excitement of gaming with tangible rewards through its tap to earn model. Okay, our vision is to create a vibrant community where fun and innovation interact, fostering engagement and collaboration within the web eco. Okay, tokenomics I have already discussed. So let me see the technical overview of this. Okay, so guys, what one thing I would like to tell everybody, if anybody wanted to ask me any question related to this token, if you have any doubt guys, please feel free to ask me. Okay, See, Meerkat operates seamlessly on Telegram. Okay, leveraging blockchain technology to reward players with tokens through simple and gamified interactions. Its lightweight design ensures easy access and enjoyable. Token allocations are explained here. Airdrop 60%, liquidity and exchange 10%, team 15%, pre-sale 10%, investors 5%. You can hold GT and claim free. Okay, so this was about how you can claim this Meerkat token with the Get.io platform. Get.io platform provides you very स्मूथ यू कैन से और बहुत आसानी से ओके you will not face any trouble, okay, to claim your uh, any to claim any airdrops. Okay, सो बहुत ही अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म ये आपको प्रोवाइड करता है, तो बहुत अच्छे से आप इसको बहुत ईजिली बोल सकते हो. यू कैन क्लेम any token in the Get.io platform very easily. Okay, and one of the important point about this Get.io platform is it's provide you it's provide you enhanced protocol. It has its enhanced protocol and provide you very strong security. So participation tutorial is given here, so you need to listen this. Okay, you need to listen this.
What is Gate.io Startup? Gate.io Startup is one of the biggest platforms introducing early stage projects spanning AI, DeFi, GameFi, Metaverse, and more. You can discover potential projects here, participate in startup and receive free token airdrops. Startup has successfully launched over 1,000 projects, with total participants of 14 million, a subscription amount of more than $100 million, and APY of 16.49%. How many tokens I can claim? Non-VIP users will be randomly selected to win airdrops for each project. The total airdrop amount for non-VIP users will vary depending on the project, and the number of winners and the airdrop amount are not fixed, while for VIP users, they are 100% guaranteed to receive the airdrops. The higher your VIP tier, the more shares you can claim. Are there any requirements to claim Gate.io Startup free airdrops? You only need to complete KYC verification and hold no less than $10 to claim free airdrops on Gate.io Startup. How to claim free airdrops on Gate.io Startup? First, log into your Gate.io account. Click on Profile on the homepage and complete the KYC verification. Check your wallet and hold no less than $10 spot assets. Click on Startup on the homepage to access the startup page. Click on the projects in progress and click $0 free to claim. Navigate to the project page. You can check the project introduction here. Click $0 free to claim. Tick I have read and agreed subscription agreement and click Claim Now to complete the subscription. Please note that there will be no fee deducted to claim free airdrops on Gate.io Startup. You only need to hold no less than $10 to join. In addition, Startup also provides exclusive airdrop subscription opportunities for users holding GT tokens, allowing them to participate in early-stage project investments and receive project token airdrops. Participation requires only holding 10 GT token. You can go to the startup page and enter the projects labeled GT Holders Exclusive. Then you can click Hold GT and claim free. Tick I have read and agreed subscription agreement and click Claim Now to complete the subscription. You can check the airdrop results in the subscription history or on the project subscription page. By participating in startup subscriptions, you will have more access to some potential projects and stand a chance to reap substantial rewards in their early stages. What is Gate.io Startup?
So guys, this was a small tutorial about how you can participate in the Get.io startup mining projects. And you have to hold no less than 10 GT on your Get.io account, and you can claim free airdrops. Okay, and you can claim multiple airdrops with the when once you joined in the Get.io platform. Okay, so just no less than $10 you have to just hold, and you can claim free your different airdrops. And yes, okay, so here is the written description of the video, and you have a look on this, guys, how you can join our Get.io platform, how you can join our Get.io platform, and how you can claim free airdrops. Okay, and okay, so Arif, what you have messaged me? Okay, wish you. All right, is Arif here? All right, is Arif here? Arif, so wow. Okay. Okay, so now let's get back to our important topic. And yes, so you should have you should listen you should have a cursory glance on this written description of this video, and I will proceed further. Okay, so also you see, also you can see participation guides are also there. It's a very simplified platform, guys, very simplified for the uh, new users. Okay, very simplified platform, and very easily you can join our Get.io platform very easily. Okay, and you can claim multiple airdrops just for free. Okay, just free, just you have to hold 10 GT and claim free. Okay, 10 GT and claim free. Okay, so here is the descriptions of everything, and which I have already discussed with you, and no need to discuss all these. And yes, let's get back to our token page. So what you have to do here is, यहाँ पे you have to hold GT and claim free. Okay, what you have to enter here, यहाँ पे you have to enter your phone number and password, then you will आप यहाँ पे होल्ड GT कर सकते हो, क्लेम फ्री कर सकते हो. एंड व्हेन यू विल स्टार्ट ट्रेडिंग ऑफ दिस आफ्टर 1 day, so here is the time given here, and still you can claim, guys. So the duration is given here. After that you can't claim. After the trading will start. So GTs, you can claim this very innovative project now. Okay, very innovative project you can claim now. And yes, so I have already shared with you all the participation Get VIP tired free participation tutorial. I have already shared with you. And so all the important जो भी था I have already shared with you. Startup token launch, startup mining. token launch का platform तो यही है. startup token launch का platform यही है. आप देख सकते हो total accumulated airdrops are given. and it was 6, but यहाँ पे देख सकते हो apart from Meo यहाँ पे भी बहुत सारा tokens है, you can hold, okay, you can claim. These tokens are finished tokens, Toncoin, Tycoon. Launch your project on startup. Now you can launch your projects on startup. So get.io startup is one of the world's largest project launch platforms. So join our platform now and give your project more exposure and development opportunities. Okay guys, so get what it provide you. So you see get.io platform is a package in itself, okay, is a package in itself. And you see this get.io startup is one of the world's largest project launch platforms. Join our platform and now and give your project more exposure. So what this get.io platform does with your project, this project gives you more exposure. This platform provides a more exposure of your project, okay, and development opportunities. All right, okay, so this is our important okay, so I will explain this as well. So you see this Meocat is यहाँ पे कुछ इसका important ये प्राइस है, इन्वेस्टमेंट कॉस्ट, एंड आप देख सकते हो ये टोटल मैक्सिमम मार्केट कैप, वॉल्यूम, टोटल सप्लाई, मैक्सिमम सप्लाई, ऑल आर गिवन हियर, ओके, all are given here. And is there any news about this coin Meocat? No. So yeah, this is the graph. And right now what is the prevailing condition of this graph? This coin यहाँ पे है and it is placed on 2244, okay, placed on the number 2244. all right, so this is the graph and of the Meocat. And let me open the trading view of this. So trading view is not given here. Compare with Lido Stake ETH. So you see the volatility degree of fluctuations, okay, not so important. Yes, Meocat startup, okay. So let me show you their official website account, okay, official account of the Meocat, okay. So you see it is their official account, guys, it is their official account, and you can follow them, Meo_announcement. So get ready to pounce on the hottest meme coin in the crypto world. Dollar Meo coins combines fun with potential tap to earn, okay. So this is their official Twitter handling, okay. You can get to know more with this यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है इनके बारे में. And if anybody wanted to know more about this project, you can simply click on this given link, okay. They joined on September 2024, okay. They have 610 followings and 48.6 followers, okay. So ये इनका ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट है, अकाउंट है, ट्विटर हैंडलिंग अकाउंट है. एंड यू सी दे हैव 122 पोस्ट्स, ओके. तो यू कैन सिंपली फॉलो देयर अकाउंट, ओके. दिस इज मेयो अनाउंसमेंट, ओके. and you can simply get to know more यहाँ पे, alright. So it is the post यहाँ पे Meo announcements. We're thrilled to announce that Meo has officially acquired Cat in the Fish. the leading tab to earn gaming platform. This acquisition strengthens our ecosystem and brings exciting new opportunities for all its users. All right. So very it is bringing a, I must say this Meerkat is bringing a joy, excitement, new experiences in your crypto journey. Okay, you see partnerships of them, partnership are given here. सो यू सी गेट आईओ का ये प्लेटफॉर्म के साथ यहाँ पर दिख रहा है ये, एंड गेट स्टार्टअप, सो $GT होल्डर्स एक्सक्लूसिव, GT होल्डर्स एक्सक्लूसिव है. ओके, सो Meerkat इज लाइव. यहाँ पे होल्ड नो लेस देन 10 GT टू शेयर दिस 30,000 Meerkat. The more $GT holding, the more free airdrops. Okay guys, the more $GT holdings, the more free airdrops. So you can claim now, and you will start trading from this timeline. Okay, it will end up on 30th of December. Okay, the claiming has started. Okay, trading, when you will start this trading, you can start this trading till the 30th of December 8 a.m. okay, till the 30th of December 8 a.m. and till 4 a.m. of 30th of December you can claim this free airdrop. Okay, you can claim this free airdrop till 30th of December till 4 a.m. and you will start your trading from 30th of December 8 a.m. Alright guys, सो ये यहाँ पे गेट आईओ के प्लेटफॉर्म पे आप देख सकते हो, ये यहाँ पे एक्सक्लूसिव है, जीटी होल्डर्स के लिए एक्सक्लूसिव है ये वाला. एंड ये आपको गेट आईओ बहुत अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म दे रहा है फ्री क्लेम करने को. एंड ये लाइव है. ओके, Meerkat इज लाइव नाउ and you can go and claim free airdrops of this get.io on the get.io platform. All right, so yeah, so guys, this was about Meo free airdrops, and Meo is a meme coin. Mainly they have designed for the entertainment purpose. All right, and when you will start claiming and when the claims get stopped and the trading will start of this Meo coin, all the important information I have discussed in my today's live session guys, and I hope I have given you enough information. Okay, I hope I have given you enough information about this very new meme coin, and it is, and how it is gathering the attention, or how it is gathering the storm in the cryptos world. All right, so I hope you have loved this live session guys, and I would like to thank each and everybody who has joined this live session. I really appreciate that guys, that you have joined this live session. And so guys, just go and claim this airdrop. All right, this airdrop is really will bring very much excitement in your cryptos journey. Okay, it will bring very much excitement in your cryptos journey, and highly recommendable airdrop. All right, so highly recommendable airdrop, and all the procedure how you can get this airdrop very easily on the get.io platform. I have already discussed all the important points in my today's live session. All right guys, so I would like to thank everybody in my today's live session. I would like to thank everybody for joining this live session, and have a nice day, guys. Okay.